This is a lines and angles problem. How do we solve it? The question is, in the given figure not drawn to scale, AD and CF are straight lines. Find angle EBF. Now, angle EBF means which one is angle EBF? This part. This part is angle EBF. Now, what is given here? It is given here, we can see that from the figure, angle ABC is 120 degree, means this angle. Now, if we talk about this whole angle, this complete part, okay, means angle FBD, then the value of this angle will also be equal to 120 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now, what are vertically opposite angles? When two lines, here the two lines are AD and CF. These two lines intersect at a common point B. Then the angles opposite to each other are known as vertically opposite angles. So, here we need to find out the value of angle EBF. EBF means only this part. Now, how do we find it? The other part, the small angle part, this EBD is given as 45 degree. Now, since this whole angle is vertically opposite to this angle, so their values will be same. Means this whole angle's value will also be equal to 120 degree. So, if we deduct or subtract 45 degree from this 120 degree, then we will get the value of this other part, bigger part of the angle, that is EBF. So the solution part will go like this. Here angle ABC is equal to angle FBD. FBD is equal to 120 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now this angle FBD is equal to angle FBE plus angle EBD. FBE, this angle, and angle EBD, this angle. So angle FBD is 120 degree, as we get it from here, is equal to this angle FBE. We can write it as angle EBF also, plus EBD is given in the figure EBD 45 degree. So after putting these values, we get angle EBF is equal to 120 degree minus 45 degree, then 75 degree. When we subtract 45 from 120, it is 75 degree. So the value of angle EBF is 75 degree.